To design a YouTube banner, start a new project in 16:9 ratio. Click this Settings button and select Change Project Aspect Ratio option. Here enter 2560 by 1440 pixels because this is the best size for a YouTube banner. Hit the OK button. For background image, in film stock, search for Retro BG, and download your favorite photo. Drag it into Timeline. Select the option to keep the project settings, which are 2560 by 1440 pixels. Click the Text tool and select 3D text and set its position in Timeline. Replace the default text with your channel name. Select some beautiful 3D text preset. Now take a simple text box in Timeline. Type the slogan or tagline of your business and position it under the name of your YouTube channel. Similarly, add some of your top products or services on the banner image. To add the photo of channel creator, import and add the photo in Timeline. Resize and position the photo in player screen. Click on Mask tab and select either heart or the circle mask. Adjust the position of mask over the image. I have added this beautiful element from computer. Check description for more detail. Please note that the upper and bottom portion of the YouTube banner will only display on TV screens. Therefore, you should place important design elements on the central portion of the banner. For an idea of exact safe area zone for mobile and desktop, I have temporarily placed this orange color element over the banner. It shows that my elements are not inside the safe zone. So, I will change the position of elements to bring them inside safe zone. I recommend you check description to watch the tutorial video exactly measuring the zones of YouTube banner for desktop. Now in Stickers section, search for a subscribe button. Drag it into Timeline. I think the hand symbol is not looking good. So, to remove it, I will select Crop tool. Select Custom Ratio. Select the portion to keep and apply. Now it is looking good. Because the upper and bottom portion are visible only on TV screens, therefore these are not as important as the central zone. It is good idea to add some large subscribe element, or an enticing discount offer in this upper and bottom zone of the banner. To add some design aesthetics, you can select this text, click Advanced button, and scroll down to add some colored background behind this text. Now it looks nicer. Before the last step, let me inform you that you may get Dozro services for designing a professional YouTube banner, Facebook cover, and social media ads in perfect size. Now our YouTube banner is ready. To download it, click on the camera icon, choose either PNG or JPG format, and hit the OK button. You can view that the YouTube banner is downloaded in our required 2560 by 1440 pixels. This is the banner image in full screen. When I upload it on YouTube channel, you can view that it is in perfect size on all devices including mobile, desktop and TV. I hope you liked this video tutorial. Please subscribe the Dozro channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.